The 2010 Mercedes E63 AMG. Powered by a 6.3-liter V8 engine with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 18 miles per gallon. This vehicle features multi-disc CD player, rain-sensing wipers, and premium package. Safety features include traction control, ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include Harman Kardon sound, navigation system, xenon headlights, DVD entertainment system, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.